These are the elevators at the Circa building in Highland, Denver, Colorado. These are Otis Gen2 elevators. This one is a single side door, that one's a center opening door. There's a map of like Denver or something in the back, that's interesting. Nice. Parking 3. Here you go down. Fan's a bit low and annoying. 350 feet a minute. Really nice. Parking 3. Building in Pittsburgh for this height would probably be 200. There's a flashing light. Is 4 open? Nope. 3, 2. Up to 2. Here we go up. Here are 2. Come back down to 1. Pretty nice and basic cabs are this kind of cab with like the flat metal. And there's some sort of like old historic flat map in the back. Here back at 1. These are the only 2 elevators here. There's no service elevator. They're closing, that's gonna be it.